Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we're opening up Splendies. It's been a while since we opened Splendies. I'm excited, and I have two here. They came together, so I think they're the same month. So I'm not sure if we'll have 6 different panties or if there'll be repeats. But we're gonna open both and see. I'm happy either way. So Splendies is a panty subscription for those that are unaware. And I was just double checking their website to see pricing and see if anything changed or anything like that, and just kind of refresh myself. Like I said, it's been at least a few months. So they do have a code, or a built-in code. Like, you don't even need a code. When you sign up and subscribe for the first time, it looks like your first month is only $8.50, and after that it is $16.99 per month. And you get 3 pairs of panties every single month. And these are really comfy. I have so many. And I could attest that they last a long time. They're comfortable. I enjoy them. And you get to customize it in a way. You can choose the style. So you can get all thongs, all like regular panties or briefs. What's kind of like they vary a little bit in the cut, but like, you know, regular panties, all thongs, or you can get a surprise variety, and I believe I have the surprise variety here. Sometimes they send me other. So this is kindly sent to me free for review, but it's not sponsored, and I don't have an affiliate link or anything either like that. So I'll just link down their website below. And I should mention they have a pretty good size range. It's from size small to 4X, and most people suggest sizing up one. So look at their sizing chart if that helps you, but if you just want to go by ear and by my experience and others, usually sizing up is best. And these are like cotton type everyday underwear. Like sometimes they're like, you know, a little sexy cute, but they're like everyday type. Because I know I also opened Heaven Panty, which I can link down below, or you can search on my channel, which is more like sexy underwear. But yeah, let's see what's inside so you can get a better picture of it. So I get mine in size large. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna rip this bag open. Comes in cute tissue. I always try and not rip it too much so I can repurpose it. And I love how they fold it up so you can get like a little sneak peek of them. So, sneak peek. Let's start. Oh my god, these are so cute. So usually they're Splendies brand, but sometimes you'll get other brands as well. I'm not sure if they own both or what, but so looks like we do have a surprise variety. So it looks like one thong, or yeah, this is a thong. I was like, maybe it's a little bit more cheeky, but this is so cute. It's just like lavender, like lilac color. Would be more lilac. So let me zoom out maybe a little bit if I can. There you go. Sorry, you might see some tarot cards and stuff. This is super cute. Oh my gosh. So Splendies brand. The value is $12. They also have a shop on their website where you can get like sale panties, like they're usually from past months. Oh, and I love to ask if you guys are for panty twins. I love this. How cute is this? Super cute. For anyone, let's see. I think it's nylon. Yep, so this one is a nylon. I love this. Here's the back. I think this is so cool right there. I love the color. Super cute little bow. Awesome. And then the next one, this is cool. I have one pair like this, but it's pink. So it has this like cross thing. How would you describe it? In the front, see this? And then also in the back. Let me move this one. That looks so you can kind of get a feel of that there. I don't think I have any brown panties, and I have so many. I'm excited about this. I'm like a weirdo, and I like to like match things even if no one else can see. But this is really cool. I think these are cute. And it looks like they're like kind of high-waisted in a way. And then they have this. And this is by Wilshire, Montana. This is definitely nylon. I like this. I think this is fun. Colors. And then look at this one. This is one of those like no-show type things, or like laser cut, do they call it? Oh, nice. I like the panty expert. This is such a fun pattern. There's birds, like a little toucan or whatever. Is that the right term? Bird name? The older I get, the more of a bird lady I am. I saw some like funny like TikTok on that or something. I don't usually watch it. Maybe it was, I don't know, somewhere on the internet. And it was talking about how like when I didn't know like when I was in my 30s I'd become like a bird watcher or something. It's like so true. But anyways, this is so cute. I think this might be my favorite. I love all of them. I think they're all so cute. So here's the first bag. Let's see if we have anything different. Oh, God, that is so cute. Get this one open. Oh, this one has different tissue. So maybe that was November and then this is December. So if you guys get Splendies, I know some of you guys do, maybe you'll know. I mean, unless they just use different tissue, this definitely looks like December. So maybe we'll have a little variety here. I gotta save this. Yeah, so get some Christmas gifts together with my fam. Okay. Let's see. Yay! They are different. It looks so Christmassy. Oh my god. Oh my god! I can already tell I love the colors. Oh my god, this is so cool. So we have two that are like definitely like winter theme. But the first one, look at this. Look at this color. So this is a full back. It is sheer and lace all around. This is such a pretty fun color. It looks like it'd be kind of high-waisted. I think this is so cute. The little flower print. What do you guys think? Oh, I'm so excited that we have 6 different pairs. November and December. So this, yeah, these are definitely December, I would say. Oh my god, I love this color. And then it looks like we have our winter thong. It has snowflakes on it. So yeah, both of these are surprise variety, just FYI. This is so cute. I love that. Like royal blue. So we got lace on top and then cotton. So fun, so wintry and festive. I love it. I love the blue. And then look at this one. So here's a cotton full back with the pretty like maroon lace. And there's little squirrels on it. And then we got like some reindeer, some snowflakes. How freaking cute. And then the back, there's a little bit more of the snowflake pattern red as well. I don't know why the squirrels I love. This is so cute. So every month they usually do have a theme, you know, like obviously winter, we're getting like winter themed. If you guys haven't checked out any other videos by Splendies, I do have a playlist so you can see probably like years of Splendies opening, literally. I can't believe I've been on YouTube this long. But anyways, yeah, if you want to check out others, you can see how they're cutely themed. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so 6 panties. I love that they sent both. Thank you, Splendies. Got our winter. So see what it means? Like every day, but then they throw in a little something spicy, you know? Spicy. But still, it's like totally comfy, you know? This is so fun. Yay. What one's your favorite? And are we panty twins in either of the months? Let me know. And again, I will link Splendies down below. This might be my favorite. I don't know. I just love bright colors, but I like all of them. This is so fun. So you guys, yeah, let me know what your favorite is, what you think. And Splendies is linked down below. And again, the first month's $8.50, $8.50, and that's $16.99, size small to X. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you are well. I love you so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you.